Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the second lecture for remaining parts of question number 1 of exercise 1.1. I'll solve part 6 for you. We will use the same method, that is factorization method. The question is x into 3x minus 5 is equals to x minus 6 into x minus 7. We will use the same technique, but first of all we have to convert the question into its standard form or general form of the quadratic equation. Now for that we will multiply x into 3x minus 5, we get 3x square, x into minus 5 minus 5x, and for multiplication of x minus 6 into x minus 7, we split up the first bracket and multiply it with the second one. So x into x square, x into minus 7 minus 7x, minus 6 into x minus 6x, and minus 6 into minus 7 plus 42. Now combining like terms, 3x square, and when this plus x square is shifted towards the other side of equation, it becomes minus x square. 3x square minus x square minus 5x, and these two minus 7x and minus 6x, they become plus 7x and plus 6x, and plus 42 becomes minus 42 is equals to 0. Now we solve these terms. 3x square minus x square is equals to 2x square. Solving these three terms, 7x plus 6x, 13, 13 minus 5 is 8x, minus 42 is equals to 0. Now 2 is the common term, so we take 2 as a common, and 2 into x square plus 4x minus 21 is equals to 0. Then dividing both sides by 2, 2 is cancelled out with 2, and 0 divided by 2 is equals to 0. Now this is x square plus 4x minus 21 is equals to 0. Now the question is in the standard form. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we will apply the midterm rate. So we find out the factors of 21 from which we can get 4. So 7 and 3 are the factors. X square plus 7 minus 3 into x minus 21 is equals to 0. X square plus 7x minus 3x minus 21 is equals to 0. Now by grouping and by taking common, x into x plus 7, and from the second group minus 3 is the common member, so minus 3 into x plus 7 is equals to 0. Now again x plus 7 is the common term, so taking x plus 7 as common and combining x and minus 3, so we get x plus 7, x minus 3 is equals to 0. So they are the final factors, x plus 7 and x minus 3 of x square plus 4x minus 21. Now after factorization we will use the zero factor property. What is the zero factor property? The zero factor property states that if product of two terms is equals to 0, either the first term is equals to 0 or the second term is equals to 0. So when x plus 7 is equals to 0, solving x plus 7, subtracting 7 from both sides, we get x is equals to minus 7. And when x minus 3 is equals to 0, solving it by adding 3 on both sides, x is equals to 3. Now there are two values of x, minus 7 and 3. So solution set is minus 7 and 3. This is the answer for this question. You will use this method for solving part 2 and part 5 of question number 1, and this is the end of your question number 1.